Hey you guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to get this awesome like golden simple, very simple eye look on this eye. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using the Pure Festival Palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Hidden Desert with this round crease brush. And literally all I'm gonna do is pop that into my crease. So once you have popped that into your crease, I am going to be taking this fluffy blending brush with the shade Epic. So, I should have showed you my colors, I'm sorry. This is Hidden Desert, and this is Epic. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Epic on this fluffy brush, and I'm going to just blend this all out right here on my upper lid. So that's pretty well, it's pretty even, I want to say. At least it looks even to me. Well, anyways, next step, you are going to be taking your flat brush and you're going to go in with the shade Psychedelic, which is right here. And this is going to be your lid color. And you're just going to pat that on your entire lid. So once you get your lid color done, you are then going to go back in with the same fluffy brush with a hint of All Night. You're just going to gently tap that, and you're going to just gently put this on your outer corner. And you're going to blend it in a little. And that's what's just going to deepen your outer corner. To just, I don't know, I feel like it gives your eye a little more depth, I guess is the right word I'm looking for. Who knows? I'm probably not using the right word, and you guys are like, depth? What? Yeah. Oh well. Not good with big words, but that's okay. So, there's that. Next, I'm going to be taking my black eyeliner that I always use. And I'm going to try to create a simple wing like I did over here. So, wish me luck. Something went wrong. As you can tell, my wing is not very wingy. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a makeup wipe to try to clean that wing up. And there's a makeup wipe. I'm just gonna, I don't think it's gonna get any better. It's gonna have to do. Not proud of that wing, I'll be honest. But that's okay. I will let it slide. All right, well, next step is going in with some 24 Magic in this palette right here, and I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger. That's probably way too much. And you're just gonna dab this, yeah, that was way too much, on your inner corner. Oh, way too much. Oops. I gotta add some to this side. Uh-oh. You guys, this is way too much. Way too much. Alright, I'm trying to clean up the little bit of glitter, but it's just gonna be like it is. Next, I'm gonna go in with Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Alright, so, oh gosh, I just got it all over my hands. That is my makeup look with the Pure Festival Palette. Mascara like glued now to my fingers. Well, anyways, that's that. Next, I'm going to be taking my Cruella de Vil highlighter from ColourPop, taking my finger, and I do this. I don't know, it works. I'm just going to be applying that to my cheek and the side of my face right here. So yeah, that is my makeup look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's very short, and I think tomorrow I'm going to do another random video with the random number generator. So thank you guys for watching. Bye!